This is a Great One production.
Okay, check this out. Boys and girls, pay attention. It is a site, and it's called ChatGPT. That's ChatGPT. Chat.GPT. Make sure you put that dot in the middle. Well, this is what it is. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to users' input. It's an AI bot. So basically you can ask this bot, speak to it like you're speaking to a human. It is what it is. Ask this bot, how to structure a business for you. Ask this bot if you're into writing code, how to write code. Ask this bot how to set up a small business or a large business or whatever scale business you're trying to do. It's going to give you exact bullet points and it answer the question how you ask it. So usually I usually speak to it as if I'm speaking to a human. You follow what I'm saying? It's AI. I might say, hello GPT, how do I structure a 10 bullet point questionnaire to such and such and such. You get my drift. But let me go back into this. It is based on the GPT, which meaning Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture, which is a type of neutral network that uses a multi-layered transformer model to process input sequences and generate output sequences. So basically, however you answer the question, that's how it's going to answer you. Instead of you going like to Google and you getting all the third parties that's popping up and stuff like that, you can go here and it'll give you direct. And also some people are building YouTube pages off of it. They using, like saying questions like ChatGPT, how is or what is the best title for my video to connect to the algorithm of YouTube. You know what I mean? I'm just giving you examples off the head, you know what I mean? But it's something you had to get into and do your own self-sufficiency on it. Also, you can also create videos off of this ChatGPT, which I'm on one called NVIDIA. You know what I mean? So it's like from speech to text. So whatever you text inside this website or app, it will actually build the video that you're trying to put out or upload on YouTube. Take note. ChatGPT has been specifically designed to perform natural language processing tasks such as text completion, questioning and answering, and language translation. It has been pre-trained on a large corpus of text data, which includes a wide range of topics and styles, in order to learn the patterns and structure of languages. So, in a way of explaining it best I know how, once you ask this question, I think it just searched the whole World Wide Web of all data had been put in there by humans or by technology. And it sums it all up to get straight to the point. And right now they got a beta version, which is free. And they got a pro version, which is $20, but I don't even think that's going to be the actual one because I'm seeing a lot of multi-businesses, incorporate this into their workflows, if I put it that way. Also, we already know AI is taking over. It's like, to me, it's a greater and lesser evil. It's like a 50-50. Because either you learn about it and get and not be blown away when things start changing as they're already changing right now as I speak and have changed, or you get left behind and become, I ain't gonna give you my thought on that, to it, if you follow where I'm coming from. So I'm just putting this information out to let you guys know if you want to know something, that dev trying to ask people that ain't trying to answer you or hide information from you, it's over. It been over because they always had Barnes & Noble, Amazons, and bookstores. So it would take a lazy person, a very lazy person, not to want to educate themselves about what's going on around them, what's coming down the line, and what's been happening. So if you don't know too much about your history, if you don't know too much about what's going on in the future, and you're not paying attention to what's going on in the present, get on ChatGPT and start asking questions. You know what I mean? Like me, I don't pay attention to the news. I don't watch it because it promotes nothing but negativity. And if you constantly listening to negativity, it's going to decrease your cells to the point where it have you damper and think about things you done been through, things you done came away from, and it keep your mind in a depressed mind state. Word up, peace. Want to have any questions about this? If you want to ask me any questions about it, leave me a message in the bottom of this video or the top of this video, however it go. Stay up, peace. 100.